Bad weather or any number of factors can cause the need to delay a crew assignment to a later date. Pushing the assignment and letting everyone know only takes a few clicks with B2W Schedule. From a view showing crew schedules, select the date for a particular crew you want to push. In this example, Sophia Long's excavation crew. Then click Push Crew Assignments. The dialog makes it easy to reschedule assignments for the entire crew, along with associated material orders. In this case, the Dame Road and Elm Street assignments are pushed back one day to avoid the rain predicted for January 16th. Click the notification icon to notify the entire crew of the changes by text or email right from within B2W Schedule. Handling updates and communicating the changes is easy using B2W Schedule.